Hi, Terrell Tigers. It's Ms. Zoch from Wood Elementary, coming to you from my backyard. Today, we're going to make another instrument. Our instrument today is going to be a reed instrument. Now, the reed instruments that you might be familiar are, when you're in third and fourth grade, you start to play the recorder. That's a basic reed instrument. Now, when you get ready to go into band, there are a few other reed instruments you might become familiar with. They are the clarinet and the saxophone, which are both single reeds because they have one reed each, and the oboe and the bassoon, which are double reeds because they have, that's right, two reeds each. Today, the instrument that we're going to make is a double reed. So, let's get started. All you need are two supplies. You need a pair of scissors, like that, and a straw. My straw comes from McDonald's. The smaller straws are a little harder to play with. The bigger the straw you have, the easier it will be to make our vibration. All right, let's get started. Now, on either side of this straw, you have a little guideline. One's yellow, one's red. What you're going to do is bite the top inch or so of your straw to make it flat, like this. Once you've flattened it out, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut on the diagonal up to the yellow line, flip it over, cut to the top to the red line, like this. Now, if I've done this right, you'll hear a honking sound. It's going to sound a little like a goose. Let's see if it works. Ready? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Now, if I wanted to make it a little bit different, here are some choices you could do. You could, along the side, like a recorder, add a couple of holes. You could poke them in here with a nail or with a tack, or you could cut your straw shorter to make different sounds. You could have a super tiny one to make high sounds and a longer one to make lower sounds. For today, I'm going to start with the long one and show you what happens when you cut it. Here's our long sound again. Now, if I cut the bottom inch off of our straw, let's hear what it would sound like now. Do you think it's going to get higher or lower? Okay, let's see if your hypothesis was correct. Here we go again. Our sound got higher. Were you correct? Now, let's cut it one more time. What's going to happen to the sound now? You got it. It's going to get higher. Ready? Let's listen. So, make yourself one or make yourself a whole band full of reed instruments. You guys have fun with this, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.